Okay, so far we've been through several formatting techniques. In the previous video, we learned how to work with cell formats and how to use shortcuts to speed up the process. In this lesson, I will show you how to create custom formats. These are formats you may need, but are not included in the default types of cell formats in Excel, and have to be created manually. Let's see how it's done. In this excerpt from the income statement we saw earlier, we have projections for 2020. All the values are in millions of dollars. So, for instance, revenues could be read as $5,046,365,000. They become difficult to read, right? Let's say you would prefer to see $5, 046M, which will suggest we have $5,046,000,000 and sort of neglect the rest. So let's get to work. Open the Format Cells dialog box again. At the bottom of the list with different formats, we can see the Custom field, where we can create a custom format. Here are the rules we should follow when creating a format. The hash sign represents a digit. All symbols that you insert must be put between inverted commas. Exceptions to the previous rule are the symbols exclamation mark, dollar and percentage signs, tilde, the power sign, and ampersand. Right, so let's provide an example. Write the dollar sign first, then a hash key, which would indicate the first number, then a comma with inverted commas. It will act as a separator between billion and million figures. Then we need 3 more hash keys. If all of this sounds strange, look at the sample number that we've created so far. Every time when we create a new format, we can use this field to see how the format will look. Okay? So, now, all we want to see is that the number is in millions. We will omit the 3 figures at the end of the number. To ignore the 3 digits, just put a comma, which acts as 3 digits omitted. We have to insert the comma 3 times, as 9 digits will be omitted. Then I only have to type space, M with inverted commas, and we obtained the required result. Great! Let's press OK. Wow! Remember that unless you delete this format, it will be saved in Excel, and you can use it multiple times whenever needed. So to apply it to the other numbers in the column, select them. Click Format Cells, go to Custom Format Line, find the custom format we created, and click OK. Easy, right? There's one last detail we would like to show you, and it can be very useful as it can help you speed up the process. You can save this format as a cell style. Actually, you can save any cell format as a cell style, and everything will be saved. Font color, font size, cell formatting, etc. The way to do that is to expand this menu and select New Cell Style. Next, click on Format from the Number tab. Select Custom and pick the newly created custom format. Let's press OK. I'll name the style USD in million. Perfect. So what happens now? Let's go to another sheet and check this small table. The numbers we see here are long. I can select them, click on Cell Styles, and choose USD in million. Now you can see the practical application of what we just did in this lesson, right? In a huge table, when you have a lot of big numbers to deal with, you'll only have to select the respective cells and apply the Cell Styles functionality. It is not always necessary to start from scratch. After you expand the Cell Styles menu, you can right-click on a cell style of your choosing, and then make some additional changes by clicking Modify. Once you are here, you already know what to do, right? Perfect. In our next lesson, we will learn how to apply conditional formatting. Keep watching, please.